Why do 70% of aspiring data analysts struggle to get hired? It's because they lack these 5 essential skills. Let's uncover them. First up, mastering Excel. It's not just for simple spreadsheets. Advanced Excel skills like pivot tables and VLOOKUP will make you a data superstar. Second, get cozy with SQL.
Comment, and
Structured query
subscribe.
language lets you manage and retrieve data from databases. Think of it as your magic wand for data. Third, learn a programming language like Python or R. These are essential for data manipulation and analysis. Plus, they're super fun to learn. Number 4, sharpen your data visualization skills. Tools like Tableau and Power BI help you turn data into compelling stories. Your charts will speak louder than words. Lastly, don't forget about critical thinking. Analyzing data isn't just about numbers. You need to interpret results and make smart decisions. So, master these 5 skills, and you'll be on your way to becoming a top-notch data analyst. Happy learning.
And subscribe.